This aggressive counterattacking repertoire gives you, as black, a complete opening system against any queen pawn, and flank opening, based on the powerful Tarrasch defense, and allows you to achieve an early equality, and even outright advantage in the first few moves. Those who aspire to play the champion, and to win, will be in for some surprises here, as they learn why Bobby loses, and to whom. This practical guide explains the tricks, techniques, and shortcuts masters employ, to find the best way forward, at every stage of a game. In just one reading, you'll learn the essential strategies, necessary to win in the endgame. This book shows you the methods you need, to mate your opponents, and win. This book is aimed at chess players who have progressed beyond beginner level, and have acquired the basic skills required to play at the club level, but need guidance to improve their understanding of chess. Much can be learned from these sparkling miniatures. John Nunn examines both how the loser might have avoided disaster, and explains how the winner managed to punch home his advantage so effectively. There is no better way to improve your game, than by analyzing your lost games, to find out what went wrong, ensuring that you don't make the same mistake again.
For sale. Pre-owned chess books, in the Philippines only.